Hello everyone, cooking enthusiasts. I'm here to reveal to you the secret ingredient and shocking truth behind crafting the perfect carbonara pasta. Are you ready to uncover the hidden trick? Well, here's what you need for 4 hungry people. Take 320 grams of high-quality spaghetti, 4 fresh eggs, 150 grams of diced smoked pancetta, 100 grams of grated Pecorino Romano cheese, and a touch of freshly ground black pepper. Now, let's start by separating the egg yolk from the egg white. Add the grated Pecorino Romano cheese. These two essential ingredients will form the creamy and flavorful base of our carbonara. Next, prepare a pot of abundantly salted water and bring it to a boil. Add the spaghetti and cook them according to the package instructions, until they are al dente. Once ready, drain the pasta and set it aside. And remember, don't throw away all the cooking water, it might come in handy later. Now, let's move on to the secret cream that will make our carbonara irresistible. In a bowl, crack the eggs, add a good pinch of black pepper, and vigorously beat until you get a smooth and frothy mixture. And now, get ready, because here comes the crucial moment. Add a generous amount of grated Pecorino Romano cheese to the beaten eggs and mix carefully to create a velvety cream. Now, take the diced smoked pancetta and cook it in a medium-high heat nonstick pan until it becomes crispy and golden brown. Once ready, drain the excess fat and set the pancetta aside. But don't discard the pan, it will play a vital role in the next step. And now, get ready for the grand finale. Put the cooked and drained spaghetti into the pan with the crispy pancetta and toss to infuse them with flavor. Now, a key step, add the previously prepared egg and cheese cream. Mix vigorously so that every strand of pasta is coated with this delicious cream. For a finishing touch that will make you fall in love, generously sprinkle more grated Pecorino Romano cheese and a bit of freshly ground black pepper over the dish. There you have it, the truth behind the perfect carbonara, finally unveiled. Now, all that's left is to savor every bite of this creamy and flavorful delight. And thus, you've discovered the secret ingredient and steps to create a dreamy carbonara. Now it's your moment to get your hands in the dough and amaze friends and family with your culinary prowess. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to not miss out on future videos.